All right, everybody, I got a brand new toy that I want to unbox today. So you guys probably know that I've been doing a lot of TikTok live, and the phone is like 6 feet away from me, and the audio, that little mic has to pick up 6 feet away from the phone. It's a terrible quality. So we do have a Zoom H6 mixer. I was looking for a solution to actually get high quality audio into my iPhone, so the people that are going to be, they're literally watching live right now. This is what my team came up with. This is called the iRig Stream Pro. Now, I looked all over YouTube to tell me more about this product, and let me tell you, there aren't enough videos about it. It's made by a company called IK Multimedia, which I looked them up there in Sunrise, Florida, so I can just drive over there and say hello to them. But I bought this on Amazon, and what this allows me to do is it actually connects into a mixer of some sort, or you can just plug your mic in directly. I happen to have a mixer that this audio is going into, and then I'll be able to take that audio out, put it into the iRig Stream Pro, and then connect that to my iPhone. So the quality of the audio for my folks that are watching live or anywhere in the future would be able to hear such high quality that's coming right out of this SM7B. That's the game plan. Now, once this bad boy's working in this studio, I'm probably gonna replicate this into all of the studios that we have in our office. With that said, I'm just gonna open this guy up really quick and show you what's in it. And the reason is, if you're considering to improve your quality of your audio, you're gonna need something like an iRig. Now, I make this very clear, this is not my day job. I don't open boxes for a living. All I do is I'm solving a content creation problem. And every single day I come across problems. I'm like, hey, I need better audio. What do? I ask my team, they tell me what I need to do, and then we solve it. I'm just showing you what is available in the marketplace. My job is not to do comparison content. I'm not gonna talk through it and test it and show you what it sounds like, because I love those YouTube videos and I love those YouTubers that do that extra work. All I wanna show you is what's in the freaking box and what are you gonna do with it when you get this in your hands, which, by the way, if you are doing any kind of Instagram live, TikTok live, or YouTube live, you're gonna wanna figure out your audio solution. Really, really important. I believe 50% of your viewing experience is audio. And it's one of the reasons why we spend a lot of time and energy here at ClickX trying to figure out exactly how to give the best audio experience for my website videos, for my social content, for our YouTube channel. Here's what it is, guys. This is all there is to it. So you open this little plastic, you get a nice little box that says iStream Pro on it. And there are 2 inputs. You can do an XLR, you can plug in an RCA cable here, and on the right hand side you have some volume controls for all your inputs, and then on this side you have some headphone jack, you have a DC in, which is the power outlet, which I got that. So again, my job is to plug in my audio that's going into the mixer into this thing so that I can actually give the folks that are watching an amazing experience. Now, one of the pieces to this is, like, you might be wondering, well, how does this connect to my iPhone? For that, they've given us a bunch of cables to do that, which is why I went and bought this thing in the first place. So whether you're on Android or iPhone, you plug this into your iPhone. They give you a couple of different cables. They do give you a battery. I'm not gonna need that because I have the DC in, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for whichever one is gonna go. This is a USB-C cable, which I'm not gonna need. This is the lightning cable that I am going to need. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this sucker and I'm going to unplug it. Just so I'm gonna show you guys, I'm not turning this on, I'm not gonna test it right now, but in the live that's about to happen after this is implemented, we're gonna have a much better audio, I trust me. Obviously, assuming that you have battery, which goes in the back, right? For my folks, if you have battery, I'm gonna be using the DC in, so I got power. And this goes right into your iPhone with a lightning cable. And then I just got to figure out my input, however I want to input the data coming in from my mixer. Once I do this, the microphone port stops working on your iPhone, and this becomes the microphone, and that quality is the most amazing quality audio that you can ever give your folks. That's what I want you to understand. So that's why we bought this thing. Just wanted to open this for you guys so you know what I'm dealing with. Super excited to share with you what the results are going to be in the future. I'll catch you next time.